In this video, I am going to show you how to change your Microsoft account date of birth. It's so easy. All you have to do is to log into your Microsoft account. If you have an existing account, all you have to do is to click login, and then it will take you directly to your Microsoft account here. So once you're logged in, you just have to tap your info, and then once you're here, you just have to click this edit profile info here. As you can see, there is date of birth. So you just have to click this part, and then they will send a code to your email to make sure that you're the one who's using your Microsoft account. So all you have to do is to enter the code here, and then once done, click sign in. You just have to make sure that the email address that you've registered is the one you're using right now, or you have this email address, because if you don't have, then you cannot enter the code here. So this is it. Now you can edit or change your birth date. So yeah, you just have to tap any of this. You can also change your country if you want. So this is how you change your birth date on Microsoft account, and then once done, click save. So that's it. That's how you change your Microsoft account date of birth. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in our next video.